The first accused in the Senzo murder trial, Moses Sibiya, has told the Pretoria High Court that he believes he is being denied a fair trial, accusing the prosecution of repeatedly asking him the same questions and forcing him to relive painful memories of alleged police brutality, and said, "I have a problem, my lord, with going back to the same question because this prosecutor keeps asking me the same question." Sibiya said on Thursday during cross-examination by State Prosecutor Advocate George Baloyi. The tense exchange came as Baloyi questioned Sibiya about his recollection of the number of police vehicles present at the Vosloorus police station before his alleged assault by police officers. Sibiya stated that, "I've been saying I don't remember how many vehicles were there. I am reminded of my assault by the police because they repeatedly asked me what I knew about Sensomeyo's death. When I said I knew nothing, they assaulted me. I'm faced with the same in this court, and I feel like I'm not getting a fair trial." Baloyi defended his line of questioning, insisting it was necessary to scrutinize the accused's version of events, and said, "We have to test your evidence and ask you questions. That's the whole purpose of this exercise." However, defense advocate Charles Nisi objected sharply, accusing the prosecution of badgering the witness, and said the witness is correct because this is unlawful. It is called badgering a witness. This procedure does not test credibility because asking the same question repeatedly after already knowing the answer is unfair. Judge Rasomo Kgatling, who is presiding over the high-profile case, did not make a ruling on the defense's objection. During his testimony, Sibiya also questioned the accuracy of court documents, claiming that an investigating officer had recorded the wrong name in the document. Brigadier Bongani Gininda wrote that, "I am Moses Sibiya, and now the prosecutor is correcting that, saying it is Musi, meaning the prosecutor is involving me in something that Gininda did not involve me in." The prosecutor did not correct Gininda when he said Moses, but now says Gininda said Musi. The trial, which has dragged on for years, centers on the 2014 murder of former Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa, was shot dead at the Vosloorus home of his girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo. 5 men, including Sibiya, stand accused of his killing. The case has been marred by allegations of torture, coerced confessions, and procedural misconduct, further deepening public frustration over the long-delayed pursuit of justice for Meyiwa. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.